summer, so let me show you a couple styles you can do when you wear your hat. If I'm gonna spend all day out in the sun, I always wear a hat, not only to protect my scalp from the sun because I don't want to spray sunscreen all over my hair, but also because it makes your hair dull. UV makes your hair dull and it will fade your color. So a hat is a must for me, even if I have products with UV protection, if I'm going to spend hours in the sun. Half an hour here, an hour there, not a big deal. But if I'm going to be at a soccer tournament all day long in the sun, I'm going to wear a hat to protect my scalp and my hair. I've had several times lately where I have posted Instagram stories wearing my hat and people will ask me how to style their hair with a hat. So the answer is there is no wrong way to style your hair with a hat. You can do anything you want, anything that looks cute, but I will show you my two go-to hairstyles. That's a tongue twister. My two go-to hairstyles when I wear my hat. It's important to note that I have a hat with an extra wide opening. This is my preference. It's basically almost like a half hat because there are some that just have like an upper hole that you can pull your hair through, but I prefer this style because I'm gonna wear my hair up. I'm not gonna wear a hat with my hair down, and I just don't like it. Hat with hair down is not it for me. It's not a look that I want. It's not a look that I like, and I feel like it makes me hot. I think it looks cute with really long hair, but I don't love my hair with it, so I like to put my hair up. And I also use it as an excuse to not wash my hair the days that I'm wearing a hat. So I'm just not gonna leave the hair down. You could do these styles with a regular hat. You would just have to place the ponytail or the bun in a spot that it's easy to pull through the hole of the hat, but getting one like this is the easiest way. You can find these hats on Amazon. This one was from Marshall's. I can't give you the exact link to this one because it was from Marshall's. I did link a similar one in my Amazon storefront, but you can find them everywhere. They are super, super popular right now. And my preference is always black because I do wear makeup and I do get makeup inside my hat, but it looks way worse on a white or a light colored hat. I was so tempted to buy this hat in light pink, but I was like, you know what? After I wear it 3 times, the inside's gonna be like orange from bronzer. So I stuck with black. So it's really basic what I do. Either I wear my hair in a ponytail or I wear my hair in a bun. So if I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail, I pull it up. Now my hair is clean today, and when I do my hair for a hat, it's usually not on a clean hair day. If I know I'm gonna be wearing a hat, I usually don't bother washing my hair because if I wear a hat all day, I'd wanna wash my hair again afterwards anyways, so. And I put my ponytail up quite high. I literally do not worry about how this looks because I'm going to have a hat on, and once my hat goes on, I am not going to be taking it off. And then I just pop my hat over top, like so. And once it's on, I like to pull out my little sideburn pieces. I don't like to pull out anything from up here, just these pieces sort of above my ears. It's not even really just my sideburns. It's like my sideburns and some hairs from up above. And then I make sure that my ponytail is outside of the hat. The hair tie, everything is outside of the hat. Nothing is tucked under. Okay, nothing is tucked under. It's all outside of the hat. And then I'm going to fluff and pull my ponytail. So I'm going to take the sides, not right at the edges. I mean, I can pull at the edges, but I'm also going to come further in from the center, and I'm just going to fluff and bring everything forward a little bit. That's going to fill out my ponytail, allowing me to see some hair from the front and allowing it to be really nice and full and cover up the gap in the back. So that's how I wear a ponytail with my hat when I'm going to go to soccer or do anything where I'm spending my whole day outside in the sun. So the other one that I do, I put the hat on the same way, and I would usually put it on with my hair thrown up in a ponytail just like this, just a simple basic ponytail because it's really easy. I usually don't do my bun before I put my hat on because 9 times out of 10 I ruin the bun in the process of putting the hat on. So I'll just throw my hair up in a ponytail, put my hat on just like I just showed you, except once I get to this point, instead of fluffing and pulling the ponytail, I take my hair tie out and I create my bun. You can do any of the buns that I do. You can do my flip and twist, you can do my tuck bun, you can just do, we'll just do a really simple basic one. I will put my bun tutorial playlist here so you can go and check out all my buns. But for this one, I'm just gonna do just your little, you know, you just don't pull the ponytail all the way through the hair tie on the last one. And then again, I'm just gonna fluff and pull this. And because we've put it up nice and high on our head, We're going to see hair from the front. We're gonna get nice and big. Similar vibe. Super easy, super simple. I don't overcomplicate it. I'm wearing a hat. I let the hat do the work for me. It's already a cute hat. I feel cute in it. It fits me well. It's stretchy, so it's comfortable. I just do ponytail or bun. I don't do anything else. I don't do anything complicated. I don't try to do anything fancy. It's usually hot if I'm wearing my hat, so I want my hair up. I don't want to fuss around with cute braids. It looks adorable, not practical. So bun or ponytail for me. This is how I wear my hat. I hope you find that helpful. If you have another way that you think is amazing, let me know. Maybe I can give it a try. I'm always up to trying new things. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any other videos you'd like to see. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I love having you here. Bye.